Look at that church steeple.
Oh, yeah. This was definitely more like tornado hitting after twisters were going right in the middle. There was multiple twisters spun in the middle of the hurricane. It had to been. And why else would it? I mean, damage like this. I mean, I know I'll give the hurricane credit because it did 150. They said 155 miles an hour, and it said it was 922 millibars, the same as Hurricane Andrew from 1992. So there's definitely, yeah. I don't know. I really don't know if it's just multiple tornadoes or what, but it just starts spawning. I mean, just. You gotta. Yeah, I need to get my drone going. Try to do the whole neighborhood. That'd be good for the neighborhood. I'm just. Oh my God! Look at that crap. Jeez. Hey, that car, baby. This is all flooded. He'll give them to us.
Look how flooded this is.
Yeah. I see ya. I said yeah. That car windshield is busted. Jesus. Come on, guys. Come on. The house they just remodeled. I have a bad feeling on them trees that falling on that house. They just got it finished too.
It seems like there's a tree on every house.
Yes.
Literally.
Trump's gonna be like, whoa. That's the house right there. They just remodeled. God almighty. They were almost about to pour the driveway too. They almost had it completed. Look at that house. They got the backside. Man. It's been vacant for several years.
We need to have it on 97 and see if they're talking about bridges or anything.
I'm just worried about Bailey Bridge. If that's clear, we'll be able to get to them if it's clear. Should be okay, I think.
I think so. Now, if they lived on the beach, it'd be a different story.
Yeah, you ain't crossing out the way. They got to come to the structural engineers on that bridge because it's so high. Just give it time. I need something to soothe our soul at the moment. Kyle's got a house that got just tore up.
We ought to go to the radio station, talk to that guy.
You could. Yeah. This is this was State Avenue.
There's apartments. All the tops are off.
Apartments, yeah, the apartments are gone here. Arbor Trace here right here at State and 390. I'm pretty sure this project's gonna be delayed by a couple years or probably longer. I would be surprised they even get back on this for a while. I mean, the trees are they're gone. They're obliterated. It is, I don't know how to take all this in. People trying to give cell phone service. There's no service at all. This is it. I mean, this is the ground zero of the hurricane, unfortunately. Yeah. Man, this is just goes beyond and it's unreal.
Church did pretty good other than that new part. It's messed up.
That only lasted. Oh, damn, the fellowship hall's gone.
Oh, it's gone.
Holy Jesus. No, really? That is just gone. Gas station's obliterated. I knew that would be gone. I just knew that was gonna be gone. This is just crazy. People are just so dazed and confused. Oh man, I can almost see my parents' house from here because there's no trees. There's nothing here. This is Jinx in 390. Alright, Trey, don't go. You gotta go and go. Shout out on there. That's all.
You can't get through there.
That was Jinx Avenue. Oh boy. Got me too emotional. That power pole, there's laning. Oh man, that is not good. If you got a metal pole that's bent over, that just tells you what the destruction is. This is, I mean, DOT's getting all that water rushing through there. DOT's getting a lane clear for free right here. Yeah.
Watch out, this church started.
Okay. We can treat it for my house. If this house is salvageable, We'll be all right. I was worried about having shelters.
Maybe don't push it.
God Almighty.
Leave that pole cut in half.
Yup.
Ooh, look at all that.
Well, mobile homes, everybody in there, they're dead. Well, you ain't gonna survive that. And especially that lady said she was her mom was gonna stay at a mobile home in Fountain. I said, you better get her the heck out of there because that house right there's gone. Oh, God. Main.
They can't even get out of there.
Oh, that's Main and 19th Street.
Oh, I need to take a picture of that for Angela. She's still down there.
No, we'll get on the back. I got video. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, dear Jesus. This is freaking.
I'm sure it's not as bad as that side though.
No, but it's still ugly. Oh, this is unreal. I just got in my parents' house. Jesus Christ. Look at that mess. God Almighty. The higher houses seem like got a lot more damage because they're higher up, but that's
90.7 FM, WKGC.
oh damn. I can't even get through the road. I think my dad's out there. Holy. Oh shit, my dad's house is fucked. Can I get through there or not? We're gonna park over there. Damn, my dad's house. Oh, the chimney's gone. Damn it. Holy shit. Oh, dear God.